And Steve, you were telling me we're at the peak of hurricane season right now.
Yeah, usually September 15th is the peak of the Atlantic hurricane season. NOAA was saying a very hyperactive, so to speak, hurricane season. It's underperforming a little bit, but that's not to say the second half will not be very active. It runs all the way through November 30th. Speaking of active, got some showers down there along the coast. A lot of gray skies out there from our Chinook Winds Casino Resort camera. A cool day there. A cool day as well in Ridgefield ALNA camera out there. You see those puffy cumulus clouds out there. A little bit of an unstable atmosphere out there. I don't expect any heavy downpours today like we got yesterday in your lunchtime or dinner time hour like we had last night across the metro. 13 coins at Hotel Indigo camera down on the Vancouver waterfront. Boy, the nice and calm there along the water. You see some clearing out there. So all in all, we're going to see some sun breaks this afternoon, but we're also going to see this. I see scattered showers off to the south and east there at Portland. From our Subaru Portland camera, 64 degrees now, relative humidity 70%, the dew point's at 54. The wind is west-southwest 6 miles per hour. The afternoon planner, for the most part, keeps us dry, but there are some scattered showers that will be out and about this afternoon. Boy, a lot of 60s on this map. 64 at Troutdale and Portland, 65 Kelso. A little warmer in the central valley with Salem just under 70. And again, those 60s out there along the coast. Satellite and radar, if you look closely, just a few scattered showers up on the crest of the Coast Range. A lot of clouds out there along the coast, but some clearing further out. And there's a few scattered showers there in southeast to Portland and then off into the Cascade foothills. Actually, some dry weather over in the central and east side. Boy, that upper level low, you can see it kind of pinwheeling around. That's that system that came through yesterday and the previous night before that across the metro area and dumped a lot of rain in places, especially on the east side of the metro area, not so much at the airport. In fact, since midnight, only 3/100ths of an inch at the airport and less than that out along the coast. And Troutdale, boy, after a wet night last night, you added another 2/10ths of an inch today. Yep, long gone is the 102 from last week. Average is 78. 70, we're going to be right around 70 again today, and it's going to get a little cooler than that in the 7-day forecast. All right, Futurecast. Here's 3:30 this afternoon. See a few pop-up showers. Can't rule them out here in the valley. We begin to dry things out, get some more sunshine along the coast, and overnight tonight, we really clear things out in the valley. But we'll have some fog and low clouds in the morning, and then this is just high clouds tomorrow. Here's 6 o'clock on Friday. It's a dry day and actually pretty warm, mild for this time of the year into the 70s. Should be a dry Friday night for any of those sports activities, high school activities. But then again, Saturday afternoon, more pop-up showers with another upper-level low that'll be paying a visit to the Pacific Northwest. Don't forget the big in-state rivalry game, Ducks versus Beavers on Saturday, 12:30, 71. Mild temperatures, clouds decreasing. But up in Seattle, it's the Apple Cup, Cougs versus Huskies. Better risk of a scattered shower up there and cooler. That's at Lumen Field at 12:30, so two big games across the region this weekend. Current air quality looking a lot better. Boy, this map is looking a lot better than it was even 24 or 48 hours ago. We keep these rains and cooler temperatures up, which we will. We are going to see fire season come to an end here in the next few weeks. Big weather pattern. We've got one trough low pressure over us now. Another one dips by on Saturday and Sunday, but that one's weaker, so I don't expect as much rainfall with it. And then another one just beyond this will be showing up next Tuesday. So early showers come to an end, some sunshine out there along the coast. Spotty showers linger in the Willamette Valley. Notice those temperatures up into the lower 70s today. 7-day forecast, we'll see a few showers this afternoon out and about across the metro area, not quite as many as yesterday. And then tomorrow, boy, a real nice day on the way, just clouds and sunshine. And then there's your scattered showers, albeit light on Saturday. And Tuesday, boy, that looks like that could be quite a bit of rainfall. We'll see how that all plays out.
Okay, yeah, you got a Husky and a Coug up here.
That's right.
You guys, I mean, there's actually a chance the Cougs will win. I think so.
Historically speaking, you got us.
You guys have been looking good.
We'll see.
Yeah,
It's going to be close, I think.
Okay, we'll be right back. Stick around.